Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there are multiple new updates available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out, so let's check them out. So starting off with the first update, so if you will tap on your Galaxy Store, so you will get to see that a new version of the Galaxy Store and Galaxy themes is available. So you can update it directly from here by tapping on update. So first of all, it will download the Galaxy themes and it is a 13 MBs of update, and after that the Galaxy Store will install. Now the Galaxy Store update is being downloaded and it is 38.36 MBs in size. And once it is downloaded, the Galaxy Store app will automatically close and you will have to restart it by tapping it on. Also, you will notice that after the update, the Galaxy Store app icon is changed. Also, the starting animation of the Galaxy Store is changed a bit. Next, when you will go into your menu, then updates, you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates also available. The Samsung Health update is also available, which includes mindfulness has newly added to the Samsung Health, and it will record your mood and relax your mind with the breathing exercises and medications. And further improvement have been made to the app and multiple other app updates. All the bugs fixes have been fixed now. To update them all, simply tap on update all. Also, to remind you guys, we are very near to the One UI 7 official stable update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. On the April 7, the official rollout of the stable update will be started, and finally we will get to see the Android 15 update on our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new Galaxy Store app update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.